Yes, we are here. Time for something different. Are we going to get to Battlefield Lots today? Who knows? I am not an expert, just a facetious monster, here to give my thoughts and opinions, and to put a smile on your face. Time for the book club. What book club? The comic book, graphic novel, and manga book club. I call it Having a Comical Time. I'm in the mood for some manga, or maybe mangoes as some people would say it. I've been kind of doing a lot of manga, or mangos, on the channel lately. I've done Honey Lemon Soda and The Visible Man and His Soon to Be Wife. Today, I want to talk about Sneeze by Naoki Urasawa. Naoki Urasawa is a prominent mangaka. He has written many series that people love. His work is nothing to sneeze at. I thought I would jump into this because it's an anthology series. Yeah, what the hell is this book all about? Basically, it's an anthology series that deals with an overarching theme. We start with we're playing a game on a cell phone. It has to do with mobs, the Yakuza. Well, it kind of seems like that game is kind of reflecting in real life. Kirikomoto has to deal with the opposing Yakuza gang, and the opposing Yakuza gang kills his master, so he wants to take revenge. The second story is basically Kirikomoto running in a race. He wins the race. Give him a big hand. Then Kirikomoto, he deals with a pet alien. This alien has a secret. The alien wants to kill Komoto. This little piggy went, or this little piggy will die. That's kind of the quote. Then the next story, which is my favorite, was the one with the book writer. A book writer writes a book for the store. It's kind of a mystery, but with like kind of a twist on a prank that goes horribly wrong. I know that, rest in peace to the YouTuber who got shot when they were doing that prank. I don't know much about it. I just saw it on my timeline. But still, rest in peace. So the book gets taken back to him. They don't want to sell it. Even though this disappoints the writer, he wants to continue writing. He feels he's obligated to write. So it means even if your dreams don't work out, you still got to work towards them. You can do what you want to be passionate. The next one was the one about the two. I think they're men living together, Charlie and Henry, and they're just living in an apartment dealing with overflowing toilet. I don't know if that's correct. I just remember something about something flowing in the text. I am not an expert, so I might get something wrong, and please tell me. The next one was kind of my least favorite because the lettering was very thin. It was very hard to read. I get it. He wanted to mix the style of, try and make it look like he was writing music, but I just couldn't read it. It was too light. I like a nice thick text when it comes to lettering. Then there was one about these kids. They were going to a B movie, but whole aliens, they come and take over the place. Yeah, so basically this anthology, it's very much a satire, a comedic satire on the entertainment industry as a whole. Some people might not like this because some of the stories don't end. The only one I felt that really ended was the book writer one, and that one had a lot of death. These don't really have much death. They're very silly, very goofy. There's talk of Yahoo's news instead of Yahoo News, and there's a joke about, are you hungry, to the little creature. You know what? He's hungry for flesh. He's like, do you want another? The art is very good. I think the book is very nicely published. It's got nice embossedness on it on the front and the back. I think the art is fantastic. It's very clean but very dynamic. I'm going to show some of the art. Sorry. Yeah, some of the faces kind of look similar, but I think he's just used to drawing those faces, so hey, it wasn't a big deal. But I still love the art, especially the backgrounds. They were so perfect. I really just picked this up because I'm trying to dive into manga. I thought, hey, an anthology. I love myself like an anthology. My first video was Puerto Rico Strong, and I love that book. This book is solid. I don't think Urasawa fans who like his long form comic maybe might not like this because they end very abruptly, and I know some people don't like that. They like a conclusion. And I feel like some of the stories could go on further, like the Charlie Henry, the mob boss, the alien creatures, yada yada. I still feel like I'm new to manga, so if you have any recommendations, please let me know in the comments. Let me know if you liked or disliked this book. I would love to hear your thoughts, opinions. Maybe you could put a smile on my face. Listen, everyone, it's time to say goodbye. Channel like and subscribe, but thank you for watching. Always stay classy.